The EETV box maintenance mode is a protective state where your device performs essential system updates, diagnostics, and repairs to keep it running smoothly. When your EETV box enters maintenance mode, you'll typically see messages displayed on your screen, such as "Your box is updating" or "Maintenance in progress," along with a loading indicator. However, sometimes your EETV box can become stuck in this maintenance mode indefinitely. This frustrating issue prevents you from accessing your normal TV services and recordings. There are several common causes that can trap your EETV box in maintenance mode. These include corrupted firmware updates, network connectivity issues during updates, hardware conflicts, power supply problems, and storage or memory issues. The good news is that most maintenance mode issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. The first and most effective method is performing a soft reset of your EETV box. Step 1. Unplug your EETV box from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully power down and clear any temporary system conflicts. Step 2. While the box remains unplugged, press and hold the power button on the device for 10 seconds. This helps discharge any residual power and ensures a complete system reset. Step 3. Reconnect the power cable to your EETV box and press the power button to turn it on. The box should now boot up normally and exit maintenance mode, returning to your regular TV interface. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, try a network reset as an alternative approach. Disconnect your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection during the restart process. Allow the box to boot completely without network access, then reconnect your internet connection. These reset procedures successfully resolve most EETV box maintenance mode issues, with a high success rate for getting your device back to normal operation. These simple steps can save you time and avoid the need for technical support calls. When basic soft resets fail to resolve maintenance mode issues, advanced reset techniques become necessary. We'll explore hard reset methods and prevention strategies. The first hard reset method uses a button combination. This involves powering off the box completely, then holding both the standby and OK buttons simultaneously while powering the box back on. Hold both buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until the recovery menu appears. This method accesses the box's built-in recovery system. The second method accesses a hidden menu during startup. Press menu 0, 0, 1 and select in sequence during the boot process to access factory reset options. Important warning: both hard reset methods will perform a factory reset, permanently erasing all recordings, settings, and personal data from your EETV box. As a last resort, try Safe Mode Boot. Unplug the box for exactly 2 minutes, then plug it back in while holding the Channel Up button until the Safe Mode menu appears. In Safe Mode, look for an Exit Maintenance Mode option if available. This method bypasses normal startup procedures. Prevention is better than cure. Perform monthly power cycles to clear system conflicts. Ensure good ventilation around your box to prevent overheating. Use surge protectors to guard against power fluctuations. Maintain a stable internet connection, and most importantly, never interrupt update processes once they begin. These advanced techniques and prevention strategies will help you resolve persistent maintenance mode issues and avoid them in the future. Remember that factory resets erase all data, so use them only when necessary.